Hello guys, today I have bought you some beautiful Banarasi Chinya silk saree. As you see, these sarees are in very premium color with green and blue border. I will show you the full overall looks of the saree. The overall look of this saree looks so premium and elegant. As you see, these are in antique zari work with a grand border and a zari buta all over the saree. As you see, these are the zari woven butas with printed. This is Chinya silk saree. Let me show you some more colors in this. We have one more color. See the grand look of this saree, the brownish color with a contrast border. There is a lot more design in this, you can check it out. This looks so premium. The saree looks so grand. I have many colors, many designs, you can check it out. This is best for function wear, and this is very lightweight. As you see, this is like a material is chanderi, Banaras chanderi. Very soft material. You can see, you can feel this very soft material. Many designs, many colors. You can WhatsApp us and you will get all the designs. This one is the best saree. You can see this saree looks so grand. It's very lightweight and a very soft pattern. As you see, this one, you see, this is tie and dye type, and there is a buta. It looks so premium and elegant. You can order on the given number 88444392 to grab this exclusive collection of Banarasi silk sarees.